Ayun! Ay, makikita niyo si ate ay naglalakad galing siya sa school. Kakababa niya lang ng tricycle. So, ayan. Ay, naku pa siya hinahantay. Dahil, naku, yari nakita niya bukas yung ano. Paano naman gumana yung wiper? Ayan si ate. Ate. Ang bilis maglakad. Anong tinitingnan niya kaya? What are you looking for? Hey! Ate! Why like that? You're snubbing me.
Surprise!
You're so serious to walk. Why your hair is like that? Did you put some white dress?
I did not.
I did not. I'm taking a video from there. Who's that? That's your classmate?
No, she already walked home. She already used
But he's grade 7 also?
Who?
Why like that your hair? Did you put white dress? No, why? What did you bring? Your white dress?
Yes.
You don't have patches pa?
No more.
What no
You
more?
go to work?
Not yet. They're fixing pa the
What are you doing here?
the exhaust fan. Nothing. I'm just watching.
What's that?
You know him? You know her?
No.
Oh. Okay na, you go home na.
Bye.
I'll follow there. Pero pa isa, estudyante. Sino kaya to? Parang si PB din. Diba? Parang si PB din.